Hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, I am Kumar K, your favorite DSA plus OA plus CP teacher. You can check my LinkedIn profile here. Before we start the today's, upsolving session of Codeforces Division 4 round 1017 by me Kumar K, let's congratulate our student for cracking off-campus 50 LPSD offer from Amazon. You can check out the video with student here. Okay. So, if you are someone who wants personal one-to-one mentoring with me for hours, who want daily life training with me for 8 months, okay, and who wants to do my brilliant 850-hour DSA plus OA plus CP course and training, mixed with full stack development and system design, along with referrals of top 500 companies, what you can do is you can check this link out. Now, let's go to the first problem, okay? I'm making this doc accessible to you all. It will be available in the video description. Please go through it if you want the codes and explanations in a nice written format. Okay. So guys, this was the first problem. So the first problem says that okay, trippy troppy is the name of the first problem. So what they are saying that they are giving you strings like this. Okay. So let's say they give you like let's say n is equal to 3 is given. They will give you three strings like this. Okay. I am good or I am smart or I am good. Any kind of string can be there. It can be like United States of America, which they had written. Okay, United States of America. Good ice cream. Then apple and banana. So like this guys, you will be given strings on each line. So whatever string you have now, it is composed of some words and spaces. So in C++, Java, Python, you need to know how to take the input of the string in a single line even though it has spaces. When you get this string now, you have to separate each word in this string. So separate each word, United, then States, and then off, then America. Now just take the first letter from each of them. U from United, S from States, OA. So USOA is the answer for the first string. Here also, after you take the full string, divide it in separate words and take the first letter GI. GI is the answer for the second string. For the third string, you just separate the things out and take the first letter A and B. So USOA, GI, and AB. So these are the answers. Hopefully you got them. Understood. So guys, the same thing happened here. You can see OMG, then ICL, BIT, BIY, SSS, God bless America, GBA. Seems like the problem setters are from America for this round. Okay. So this is a pretty simple problem, right? If you check the C++ code like Java, Python also, you can get it converted using AI for my code. See, it's pretty simple. You just, this is an important concept you need to understand. You just take the results, okay, sin comma line, then separate all the words, okay, and add the, for each word, add the first letter to your result and print the result. Done, 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 done. Problem is solved. Obviously, division 4 problem A must be the easiest one. Let's go to problem B now. So, guys, in problem B, Boberito Bandito is the name of the problem B. So, obviously, this is a very nice problem B, but what we can do it is that we can make it even more interesting. We can make it even more interesting. First of all, when the people read this problem, na, they felt this problem even tougher than the E problem because understanding the problem is difficult, solving is not difficult. So, English comprehension skills are very, very important, guys. So, guys, what they are saying is that, they are saying that hey bro, you are standing at you know you're standing on the x-axis at coordinate 0. You're standing at the x-axis on coordinate 0. Now in each day you can move wherever the heck you want to move. Okay, Each day you can go one direction on the left hand side, or you can go one direction on the right hand side. That's all that they are going to tell you guys. Okay, so just relax and enjoy your life. Don't take extra stress and pressure. Be very positive, full focus and attention on yourself, not other people. Clear, guys? Okay, fine. Now, listen to me very carefully, guys. So, guys, they will tell you, let's say, n equal to 5. It means 5 days have happened. So, in 5 days, guys, where can you travel? They will give you the L and R also. L equal to 2 and R equal to -3. They will give you like this. So guys, if in 5 days, how can you reach +2 position and -3 position? It is common sense, right? In first day, you will travel this much from 0 to 1. In second day, you will travel like this. So see, you have reached, uh, like I should have written it as left L equal to -3 and R equal to +2. Okay. So in this particular case, guys, L is equal to -3, R is equal to +2. Okay. So what does that actually mean? That actually means that on the right hand side you can go till two places like this, right? On the right hand side you have to go till two places, and on the left hand side you have to go till three places. So in the third move you will come here, in the fourth move you will come here, and in the fifth move you will come here. So guys, hopefully everyone understood the problem, that the total number of days are given. You have to find any valid possible way such that by the end of 5 days you should have touched the -3 coordinate also and the +2 coordinate also. So guys, it is very simple. First you will do the left traversal. First you will do the, let's say, right traversal. First you will travel to right, then you will travel to left. That's it, and the problem is solved. So guys, I give you any n and any r, you can tell me the answer. Let's say n equal to 4, L equal to -1, R equal to 3. So how will you solve this question? They are saying that in 4 days, bro, you need to reach this guy and you also need to reach this guy. So guys, you can see the sum of this is 4 only. So what will you do first? I will travel towards right hand side. So see, first day, second day, third day. See, I reached 3. I completed my R task. Now I need to reach L. So in the fourth day, from here I will go here. I have done L equal to -1 task also. Correct. Problem solved. So guys, what is the solution? In the question, L will be given, R will be given, N will be given. You know that absolute value of L plus absolute value of R is equal to N. So first you will complete the task of going towards the right hand side, then the task of going towards the left hand side, and then the total n days are done. But guys, they are saying that if this is one of the ways to travel and reach your final positions, what range can you achieve? What range can you achieve on mth day? So this is very common sense. Like, you'll just run a loop to reach R, and then you will run a loop to reach L, and you will see which day is going on. So guys, in this question, you know n equal to 4, L equal to -1, R equal to 3. M equal to 3 they have given. Let's say they have given M equal to 3. Okay. So guys, first simulate whatever they are saying. 4 days and travel this. So you know in first day you will go to right, second day you'll go to right, third day you'll go to right, fourth day you will go like this. Now they are saying, tell me what is your range value on the third day. So guys, on the third day I was at position number 3, and my left, like, only this much range we had traveled in the 3 days, right? So 0, 3 is the answer. So guys, kuch nahi karna hai. You are given 0. First you will travel on the right hand side, then you will travel on the left hand side. You will count the days. That is the first day, second day, third day, then this is fourth day, fifth day, sixth day. In that they will give you a value of day which you want to find out. Let's say M equal to 3. So wherever the third day is coming, you stop. You stop and see what is the current value of the range, and that is the answer. Problem solved. So basically, that's it. Like if I try to show you the implementation, lovely people, the implementation, which is very, very important, is you know what? N we have, M we have, L we have, R we have. Okay. So guys, what is gonna happen is that first you go towards the right hand side from the zero, right? I keep on traveling. I keep on traveling, and my days are increasing. But if my day is equal to m, if they are asking you for the mth day, na, if I have reached the mth day, I know that my right range currently is at I, and the left range is already zero because I started from zero. So let's say this did not happen and we travel the full right stuff. Now we are going on the left hand side. So from 0 till minus L I will go, right? Like L is a negative number. Okay, because it is on the left hand side, it's given here. Okay. So I am going on the left hand side. Wow, 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 awesome, 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 awesome. So I'm going on the left hand side like this. You are also enjoying it. Yes, baby, I am also enjoying it. Now, you are going on the right hand side. But while going to the right hand side, you know not that R days have already passed. And you are in minus J position. So absolute J plus R is the total number of days. And if the total number of days is M, you know that the right range was R because R you have already reached till R and the left range is currently the J. So R1 and L1 is the answer. So L1, R1 done, 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 done. Problem solved. Now what will we do? Problem C. Uncle C. Ram Ram. That's easy. Anyways, jokes apart. That was a joke. Brr brr patapim. So brr brr patapim. Okay guys, they are telling you that we are giving you a matrix. And the matrix is nothing but the permutation of an array of 2n elements. So just print the permutation. That's it, what they are saying. I will explain you what they are trying to say. So 162. Okay. So guys, problem C is like very easy. See, in problem C, what's happening is that this is the matrix given to you. They are given some values here. They are saying that convert this matrix to an array. Convert this matrix to an array. Okay. So, like, how many elements will be there in the array? I think, yeah. Matrix is of size n cross n. So, convert it into an array of size. See, this is 3 cross 3 matrix, right? So, the array size will be 3 into 2, which is 6. So guys, convert this array into this matrix into array. Now guys, you must be thinking, sir, but what is the meaning here? See, 162, 162, 162. Then 624, 243, 624, 243. Okay. This is a matrix, let's say G. So guys, we can write here, na, you know, na, indexing and coordinate geometry, G of 1 comma 1 is equal to 1. You agree na that this is called as 1 comma 1 indexing, and this is called as 1 comma 2. So guys, you can see that G of 1 comma 1 is 1. So they are saying that if they are saying that G of I comma j is equal to D, this means that in this final array P of I plus j will be equal to D. So guys, you just have to travel the matrix and apply this formula. Your I will go from 0 to n minus 1 and j will go from 0 to m. While traveling the matrix, I will go from 0 to n minus 1 and j will go from 0 to m minus 1. Whenever you are at an element I comma j, whenever you are at a particular index in the matrix I comma j, you should know that Gij is D. Gij is this value. This means P of I plus j is D. So this G matrix I have to convert to P array. So G of 1 1 equal to 1. If I convert into P array, what it will be? P of left plus right value 1 plus 1 equal to 1. So P of 2 equal to 1. So guys, this is the P array. If G of ij is equal to D, this means that if you convert it into array, then P, like this is their definition, huh? Not, I am not saying, this is their definition. This means that P of I plus j is equal to D. So P of 2 is equal to 1. So in this particular facade, what should we do? You know that P of 2 is 1. So here I will write 1. Now guys, you travel this. This is what? P of 1 comma 2. So this means P of 3 is 6. So I will write P of 3 is 6. Then this means what? P of 1 and 3. P of 4 is 2. P of 4 is 2. So I write a 2 here. This means 2 plus 1. P of 3 is 6, which I already know. This means P of 2 plus 2, 4 is 2. Yes, I already know. P of 2 plus 3, 5. P of 5 is 4. P of 5 is 4. Okay. Like this, P of 3 plus 1 is 4. P of 4 is 2. Yes, I have already done that. 3 plus 2, this and this. 3 plus 2, 5. So P of 5 is 4. I already know that. Now if I consider this one, what it will be? 3 from here, 3 from here. It is P of 3 plus 3. You know that G of 3 is 3. This means that P of 3 plus 3 is equal to P of 6. Like P of 3 plus 3 is 3. This means P of 6 is equal to 3. Wow! So guys, this is the permutation array you have. Now see, can you see only one element is left? So guys, this is the observation. Only one element will be left in the final array. Why? My statement is that if you're trying to make a P array of size, it is a permutation of 1 to 2, and I hope you know the meaning of permutation. Means all the numbers from 1 to 2n will come a single time in this array, it is guaranteed. I am saying you can fill all the numbers except the first number. Why? Array, because first is what? P of 1. P of 1 can never be written as G of I comma j. Why? Let's like let's say that this what we say, this is one based indexing. Okay, let's not take zero based indexing, let's take one based indexing. Your I is going from 1 to 3, j is going from 1 to 3. So I will always be greater than equal to 1, j will always be greater than equal to 1. So the sum I plus j will always be greater than equal to 2. So you will only know the answer for the indices greater than equal to 2, because I plus j is always greater than equal to 2. So one number will always be absent. So guys, how do you find the one number? I am saying you can create the full P array by traveling the matrix. You can create the full P array. You will know all the values from 2 till 2n, but you will not know the value at the first index. So how can you find the value at the first index? Array, you can see this array na? This array is nothing but a permutation of size 6. All numbers have come in it from 1 to 6 except 5. So 5 will come here. That is the only way. So guys, that is the solution to the problem. From the matrix, you create this lovely array. In the lovely array, beta ji, in the lovely array, see, if you have done my 850-hour course, there are many matrix constructive problems like this. So this will be an easy peasy task for you. Anyways, so this is the short analysis video. For the last two problems, I will make a deeper analysis video. So if you want the G and H problem solutions, like I am doing it here till F, if you want G and H, then you can, just let me know in the comments. I will send the deep analysis videos as well. This is just the short analysis video, okay? So these things are clear to you. So guys, if I go through the code, of C, you can see that you can see I have taken the full input. I am doing great, right? Okay, I'm going from 1 to n and 1 to n here. It is n cross n matrix, right? I take the input, I note down this value, okay, and I write p of I plus j equal to u. Now, guys, I know that my p array is filled from index 2 to 2 into n. I don't know the first value. So, what will be the first value? Guys, we know that a permutation from 1 to n should have a permutation from 1 till 2n should have all the values from 1 to 2n coming one time, right? Only one value is there which is not coming. So what I will do, I will travel from 1 to 2n and I will find out कौन सा number नहीं आ रहा. जैसे I want to know the permutation from 1 to 6. So how will I know this missing value? I will travel from 1 till 6 and I will check in my hash map. Has 1 come before? Yes, sir. Has 2 come before? Yes, sir. Has 3 come before? Yes, here is the 3. Yes, sir. Has 4 come in this array? Yes, sir. You can store the elements of this array in hash map now. Has 5 come in this array? No, 5 is not come. So 5 is the answer. 5 is the number you put at the first place. So the missing number is nothing but the number which is absent from 1 to 2n. So I'm traveling from 1 to 2n. If there is a number whose frequency is 0, this is the missing number. So P of 1 is the missing number because only the first number can be the missing number. So done, problem solved. So problem D. Yeah, I got lead code rank, world rank 540. The last problem I did it right, but because I did not have the template handy, it screwed up a little bit. But the detailed video solutions are there. You guys can check it out, okay? Like I should tag this also, right? Like let me write here lead code. What it is? Lead code weekly contest 445 video solutions. LC weekly 445 video solutions. Now, guys, lovely students, see the strength of Kumar ke student. Now, problem D. So, guys, problem D is the first problem where I felt that they are asking something substantial. Okay. So, Tung Tung Sahur is the name of the problem. Wow. So, guys, they are saying that you are given two strings. You can do it via two pointer also. You are given two strings. You know what? P and S. P and S. Okay. So in the P string is the original string, S string is the later string. You have to say, you have to tell that can P be converted to S or not. That's what they are asking you. So it's also pretty easy. Can the P string, can the S, like can the S, see they are giving you P string and S string, okay? The let's say the P string is given to you, LR, and the S string is given to you. You have to say that is S string following all the rules or not? Is S string following all the rules or not? What are the rules? See, in the P string, L comma R is written, right? So whenever a L is written in the P string, now it can be kept as L only in the S string, or it can be kept as double L. So hopefully you got my point across that the L can be converted. Either you keep it as it is or you can convert it to double L in string S. And the R also can be either kept as R or it can be converted as a double R. So in this particular scenario and case, beta G, tell me, is it possible to convert the P string to S string? It is only possible if S string follows all the rules. So let's say S is equal to LR. Is it possible, guys? Yes. Why? See, L remains as it is, R remains as it is. Now, if I tell you that, hey, can you convert? Can you convert LR to LLR? Can you convert LR to LLR? LLR, LLR. So yes, this is also possible. Why? See, this L got converted. You know now that a single L can be converted to two L in the string S, and this R remained a single R. So yes, baby, this is also possible. Now, if someone asks you that, hey, bro, yeah, L L R R, is it possible to convert P string to S string? Yes. Why? This L got converted to 2L, this R got converted to 2R. Okay, G. Now, this much you understand, right? I also understand, baby. But there can be a no case also. Now what? You will say, sir, this L got converted to 3L and this R got converted to single R. Is it possible? No! L can either remain L or double L. Triple L is not possible. So no. So guys, like this, they are saying that a very large string P and S is given. They can be anyhow. They can look like anything. Like see, P can look like this also. And S is looking like this. So can it happen? See, there are three L's, right? So you can assume this L gave birth to this, and this L gave birth to two people. Because one L can be converted to two L's also. This R like this, and this R gave birth to two people. So yes. So guys, how will you determine yes or no? What is the first observation? Guys, the first observation is that the first character of both the strings should be same. What is the first observation? P of 0 should be equal to S of 0. If P of 0 is not equal to S of 0, guys, if the first characters of both of them are not equal, if the first character of both the strings are not equal, if the first character of both the strings are not equal, if the first character of both the strings are not equal, then the answer is never possible, na? If P is, let's say, L and something and S is like R and something, you can never convert L to R. L can only be converted to single L or double L. So first character should be same. If first character is not same, answer is no. Answer is no. What will be the next observation, guys? Number of continuous blocks should be same. Number of continuous blocks should be same. Now, guys, what does this mean? Let's go in the deep fantasy world. Number of blocks means you have to find the continuous blocks in the first string and the second string, and the number of blocks should be same. What is the next condition? First condition is that P0 should be equal to S0. To be considered, then the answer is yes. Then if this is happening, then number of blocks should be same. Number of blocks should be same. What does that mean? What is the first block here? L block. Then R block. Two blocks are there. Two blocks. And which are the blocks here? 4 times L block. And then 3 times R block. So guys, here also two blocks. If the blocks are equal, then there is some possibility of the answer being yes. Why? Because this L block give birth to this L block, and this R block gives birth to this R block. So guys, the answer is that the number of blocks should always be equal. Why? Let's say your strings are like this. First block, second block, third block, fourth block. First block, second block, third block. Blocks are not equal. Here there are 4 blocks. Here there are 3 blocks. Answer is no. Why? See, first block can give birth to this first block. Then the second block of RR here can give birth to second RR block. Third block of LL here will give birth to third LL block. But what about this block is not getting used? Fourth block here, there should have been one more RR occurrences or blocks. So that's why, guys, I hope you understand the corresponding blocks give birth to the corresponding blocks in the other string. So the number of blocks should be same. Instead, if the string was like this, now it will work. Now it will work. Why? First block, second block, third block, fourth block, fifth block. First block will give can give birth to this first block. Okay. Number of blocks should be same. Okay. This RR block will give birth to this RR block. This LL block will give birth to this LL. This RR block will give birth, fourth block, fifth block. And this L block will give. So number of blocks should be same, guys. In this string, you can see that, the blocks are same. Like the number of blocks is same. LR block, you can just do a simple traversal from I equal to 0 till n minus 1 in this string, and I equal to 0 till m minus 1 in this string. You can do simple maths and calculate all the blocks and store them in a vector. So guys, for the strings to be a valid answer, which condition need to satisfy? First character should be same. Then the total number of blocks in P string should be equal to total number of blocks in S string. Next condition. Next condition, guys. Next condition is the block size. So let's say block size of S for any particular block. Let's say the first block. This is the first block, right? So block size of the first block of S should always be in this range. It should be greater than equal to the block size of P, first block of P, and less than equal to 2 into first block of P. अरे मेरे कहने का मतलब क्या है? That what is the first block of P? This one, na, its length is what? 2. What is the first block of S? Its length is what? 4. So I am saying that whatever this length is, it only can be 2 times this one, not more than that. Why? Each L can be converted to 2 times L, na? So the maximum possible length is 2 times the original length. So what I am trying to say is that whatever is your like each block you will check of S, and each block of S should satisfy this condition. This size, which is 4, it should be greater than equal to 2, and it should be less than equal to 2 times P block. So hopefully you can feel it, right? For each block, this should be happening. Here also, see, this is what? 2. So this should be greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to 4. Yes, it is satisfied. This is what? 2. So the corresponding S block should be in the range 2 to 4. And yes, it is in 2 to 4. RR is what? 2. So corresponding should be in the range what? Corresponding block should be in the range of 2 to 4. But guys, it fails here. Can you see? You are saying that, sir, can RR give birth to single R? No. Your size is what? 2. So you can only give birth to an RR block of size from 2 to 4, not of size 1. So guys, each block you will check the size, and the size should be P block, like the S block size should be always, this S block size should always be in the range of P block to 2 into P block. So these both strings will never be the answer. If all the 3 conditions are satisfied, the problem is solved. Done. Okay. I will show you the code. The next problem is on bit manipulation. Guys, I assume that you are my student of my 850-hour DSA plus OA plus CP course. In that, there is a 115-hour course on the bit manipulation. Very hard questions on XOR and OR and many special tricks of DSA OA CP. If you have done this, the next E problem is a piece of cake for you people. For the D problem, I will show you the code one time and then we move on to E. Okay. So guys, first I check the first character are same or not, then the total number of blocks I get. If the total number of blocks are different, there is no possible answer. If the blocks are same, then each of the S block should be in the range. If the S block is less than the P block, or S block is more than 2 times P block, answer is false, and that's it. How to calculate the blocks? Just travel both the strings. If this is equal to current character, count plus plus, and when the different character comes, push back the count, and done 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 done. Even after the for loop is over, make sure you do it. Done 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 done. Okay. So now we go to the E problem. So let's go to the E problem now. So seems like we don't. Yeah, sorry. So guys, listen to me. Guys, please listen to me. E problem. Bonia Ambalabu is the name of the problem. Okay, Ram Ram. So guys, how do we solve this problem? You are given n integers and they are going from a1 to an. You have to find the maximum value of this thing. So guys, whenever a XOR question is coming to you now, you should always think in terms of what, in terms of bits. So each number can be represented in binary in only 30 bits because the number is less than 2 raised to 30. Like, you can watch my initial bit manipulation videos because you need some prerequisite when I'm explaining you this question. Okay, so each number can be represented in binary as 2 raised to 30. Okay, so yeah, so you have to output the maximum value of a1's or ak plus a2's or ak till the end. Okay, till the end. Okay, so now what to do and how to do. Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. So they are saying that we are giving you an array a1, a2 till an. You select any integer k from 1 to n and find this value. What is the value? A1 XOR AK plus A2 XOR AK till AN XOR AK. So whatever this value is should be maximum. So guys, now the question is, we don't know now which case should we select. So you can just do brute force, right? And brute force will solve this problem in O of n square, right? What can you do? You can iterate for all k values from 1 to n. First I will try for k equal to 1, then k equal to 2, then k equal to 3 till k equal to n. You will travel from k equal to 1 till k equal to n, and for each k you will like, you are going from k equal to 1 to k equal to n, right? For each k, let's say I fixed a k, I have fixed this as my current k. Now what I will do, I will again travel the array from 1 to n and I will calculate this value. A1's or AK plus A2's or AK, and this. Whatever is the value, this is the value for this particular k. So I will calculate the value for each possible k. And the maximum of all of them is the answer. So n time for going from 1 to n, and for each k you again have to go from 1 to n. So n square. But we need a better solution. We will again do the same thing, but guys, you should know the binary number additions you should need to understand. So let's say I give you some binary numbers. How will you add them up? Always remember, this is the zeroth bit, first bit, second bit, third bit. So you can see here the answer 0, here 1 is coming 3 times, here 1 is coming 2 times, and here 1 is coming 1 time. So what will be the answer? Whatever the last number came na, multiply it with 2 raised to 0, plus whatever this number came na, multiply it with 2 raised to 1. Whatever this number came na, multiply it with 2 raised to 2. Whatever this number came na, multiply it with 2 raised to 3. What is the answer? 2 raised to 3, 8, plus 2 raised to 2, 4, plus into 2, 8, plus 3 2 is 6, plus 0 into 2, 0. So 8, 8, 16, 16 plus 6 is 22, hopefully. Something like that, okay? 8 plus 6, 14, and yeah, 22. Now, if you convert this binary number to decimal, then also 22 answer will be there. You don't trust me, you can check it out. Like, You do trust me, like, right? That's why Washington here. So 2 is the answer. Never sleep. Always focus on work. Do the hard work in life. So 2, my mother said that. Never waste time in sleeping. जो सोवत है सो खोवत है. Start, wake up and start working. Now, the next thing is that this number is what? 6, right? 6. And this number is what? 8, and then 2 raised to 2 is 4, and 6. This is 14, right? This is 14. So what is 14 plus 6? 20 plus 2? 22. See guys, decimal and binary addition is coming same. So this trick we will use and solve the whole problem. Let's say in the array you are given these three numbers only. Uh, you are given 2 in the array, you are given 6 in the array, and you are given, you know what? You are given 14 in the array. Okay. This is your first index. This is your second index of the array. So basically guys, hopefully you can understand that Kumar ke sir is converting each number in the array to a binary number. Okay. So guys, what if I do k equal to 2? I want to calculate the answer for k equal to 2. I want to calculate the answer for k equal to 2. Means I need the answer. What would be the answer for a1 XOR a2 plus a2 XOR a2 plus a3 XOR a2? My k is 2 na, so I am doing each number I am doing XOR with the second guy and adding. How to calculate this? I am saying you can calculate this in O of 4. In just 4 operations you can do. How? Okay, so now I come here. Okay guys, I come here. So guys, if I only check the column wise, okay, rather than looking the numbers, I will only check the first column. Okay. So guys, can you feel something? Zeros or with zero will be what? Like you have to do this XOR with itself also, right? I am saying you forget the other numbers. What I am saying is that whatever is here, you forget it for some time. You assume that your array looks like this. Now guys, what would you do? You have to find this XOR this XOR this or this, and add them all up. So what will be the answer? 0 XOR 0 0 0 XOR 0 0 0 XOR 0 0 0 0 0. You should know that 0 XOR 0 is 0, 1 XOR 1 is 0. Only when 1 XOR 0 you are doing, then it is 1, and 0 XOR 1 you are doing, it's 1. Okay. So for the this column, the answer will come as what? For this column, if you do the XOR of all the pairs with the second number, the answer is 0. Now guys, what will happen here? Now I will calculate the answer only for this part. For this part. For this bit. You can calculate the answer individually for each bits. That's the good thing. For this bit guys, if I do the XOR of 1 with all the available ones, what is going to happen? First of all, 1 XOR with itself, right? A2 XOR A2. This will be 0. 1 XOR with this, 0. 1 XOR with this, 0. 1 XOR with this, 0. So guys, if your current number is 1 na, you just need to know how many zeros are there, because 1 when XORed with 0 can give answer as 1, but 1 if XORed with the same number itself, it does not help. So the full answer to this is also 0 only. Now calculate the answer for this bit. Now if we only focus on this part, okay? So guys, what will be the answer of 1 XOR with itself? 1 XOR with itself is 0, and then 1 XOR with this 0, and 1 XOR with this one. So 1 XOR with this one, again it is 0 only. 1 XOR with 0, it will 1 XOR with 0 will give 1. So guys, the answer of XOR of all pairs is what? It is 1. Why? See, this with itself is 0, does not matter. This with this is also 0, does not matter. So guys, When your current number is 1, na, you only need to know that in this column, how many zeros are coming. How many zeros are coming in this column. You can pre-calculate it. Before doing this, you can make a BIT array. BIT of I can tell you how many ones are coming in the ith column, or BIT of 0 of I can tell you how many zeros are coming in the ith column. So you just need to know that ना. Why guys? Why? समझो ये तुम्हारा कॉलम आई है, ये तुम्हारा केथ नंबर है, केथ नंबर है तुम्हारा 1. You have to now find the XOR of it with all the pairs. So खुद के साथ तो कुछ नहीं होगा, दूसरे 1 के साथ भी कुछ करके मतलब नहीं है, वो सब तो 0 0 ही आंसर देंगे. So guys, you just need to know how many zeros are there. How many zeros are there? 2. 2 is the answer. Why? This number XOR with this 1 XOR 0 will be what? 1. 1 XOR 0 will be what? 1. 1 plus 1 2. So only need to know the number of zeros in the column if the current bit is 1. So guys, how many zeros are there? Sir, there is 1 0, sir. So answer is 1. So 100 we have found out till now. Okay. Now guys, we have to find the answer for this part. Okay. My current number is 0. So guys, this is my ith column and my current number is 0. Okay. Now guys, I want to know it's the sum of XOR with all the other numbers. See, 0 with 0 itself leads to nothing. 0 with other 0 is also not useful. It's all 0 0 0 0. Only useful stuff is when 0 combines with 1. So you just need to know how many ones are there. There are 2 ones. You can pre-calculate it. BIT of I should tell you how many ones are there in this column. You can just travel the whole array and calculate now in the ith column how many ones are there if you converted all to binary. So sir, there are 2 ones. So 2 is the sum of the XORs of all pairs of this column. For this 0, how many ones are there? Sir, only 1 1. So 1 is the answer. 1 is the answer. So in this case, A1s or A2 plus A2s or A2 plus A3s or A2 is nothing but what? 1 1 0 0. It is nothing but 1 1 0 0. You can convert it to decimal by multiplying this with 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. So guys, for k equal to 2, how much time did you need? You only took 4 operations. See, first operation, second operation, third operation, fourth operation. So for each k, each in this array, each k can be solved in 4 operations. Your k will again go from 1 to n. But for each k, you will just travel this now. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. Maximum there can be 30 columns. Because they have said, like you can see that AI can be 2 raised to 30, 30 bits can be there for number. So for each k, you will just travel the 30 columns and check how many zeros and ones are there. If your current number is 1, check how many zeros are there in this column. If your current number is 0, check how many ones are there in this column. That is the XOR sum coming here, and this will be the binary answer you will get, and you can convert this binary answer to decimal and add it to your sum and take the maximum of all values, baby. Hope you understood, guys. I will show you the code and then let's go. Then let's move on to problem F. Hopefully you are enjoying this. F is a really killer problem. So I go to problem E, Uncle C. So guys, let's go to some so guys, see, I took the input of each number. Hopefully you are enjoying it like me. Yes, yes. Now, listen to me. Listen. Uh I am traveling again the whole array, and guys, BIT. I am traveling all the 31 bits of each number, and if that bit is 1, BIT of I plus plus. Okay, so BIT of I tells me, basically you should know that BIT of count of I tells me how many numbers in the array have one at column I. If you convert all numbers to binary, columns will get created. Now that's it. Okay. So this was just for your explanation. Okay, baby. Now listen, listen, listen. Now, guys, I go for each k from 1 to n or 0 to n minus 1. Okay. Clear? Now, if this k I'm using, what will be the answer? I will go from 0 to 31, something like that. Okay. Like I could have written here 31 also. Always take one number extra. If this is 1, the answer is nothing but the number of zeros. Number of zero is nothing but n minus the number of ones in that column. समझे बात को? मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे पता है कि बी आई टी ऑफ आई समझो 4 लिखा हुआ है, मतलब 4 बार 1 आ रहे हैं, पर अगर नंबर ऑफ जीरो जानना है तो क्या करोगे? टोटल कितने थे? टोटल तो n थे ना, n इक्वल टू 6, सो n माइनस 4, सो n माइनस बी आई टी ऑफ आई, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ जीरो चाहिए तो ऐसे n माइनस ये, and if you just want the total number of ones, it's bit count. Done, problem solved. Okay, so n into 30 is the time complexity. Now guys, comes the problem f. Ha ha ha. So problem f is a very interesting problem, guys. So guys, what they are saying is that you just need to chillax, you just need to enjoy in the problem f. They are saying that this is a constructive algorithm matrix based problem. Constructive algorithm matrix based problem. You can do it. You are a Kumar K student. So guys, they're saying that you have to create a matrix of n cross m size, and a k will be given to you which will be divisible by n into m. You have to fill the matrix with the numbers from 1 to k. You have to fill the matrix with the numbers from 1 to k, and all the numbers from 1 to k should come equal number of times. That is common sense, right? Because k is divisible by n into m. So if you again and again fill with 1 to k, 1 to k, 1 to k, all the numbers from 1 to k will come equal times only, na? Beta ji. For example, let me explain. They are saying that, hey bro, yeah, I give you n as 3 and m as 4. Okay. Okay, sir. Now I will give you a value which is divisible by n into m. K equal to 6. See, it is true. 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 6 mod 6 is equal to 0. Matlab their multiplication will be divisible by 6. So 12 divided by 6 is 2 na. So it means you need to fill the matrix with the numbers 1 to 6, and 1 to 6 will come how many times? 3 into 4 divided by k. K is what? 6. 12 by 6, 2. So he is saying that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 should come in your matrix 2, 2, 2, 2 times. देखो ये तो पता चल गया कि मैट्रिक्स को तुमको 1 से k से ही भरना है, बट हर नंबर कितनी बार आएगा? n into m डिवाइड बाय k करो, because k is divisible by n into m. It is given in the question. You divided it. Great job. After division, beta ji, listen to me. You will come to know each number should come equal number of times. So each number will come exactly 2 times. Only then the full matrix can be filled, right, baby? So how will you do this? Let's say k equal to 6 is given. How to solve the problem? Very simple, man. Let's say a k is given to me and the k is divisible by n into m, and k is bigger than n also, and also k is bigger than m. In that case, the answer is very simple. Guys, just fill it with linearly from 1 to 6 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now over again, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, problem solved. See, all the numbers are from 1 to 6. All the 1 to 6 are coming exactly 2 times, which is the divisible 12 by 6 too. And none of the adjacent numbers are same. This is one more condition. No two cells should share an edge that is same integer, baby. Okay, bro. So guys, why is this working? Can you feel it? Our k if the k given to us is bigger than n and m, na, it means no matter how you fill it, it will come till the next place also. See, I am only dealing with the case. I am dealing with this case. See, guys, the first case is where k is greater than n and k is greater than m. You can say k is greater than max of n comma n. This is the easiest case, right? इसका मतलब मालूम है क्या है? Like, let's say n is equal to 3 and m is equal to 4. Okay. So guys, my k is bigger than this also and bigger than this also. Means no matter how I fill, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will never be satisfied in the first row. अरे I have to fill from 1 to 6 ना. मेरा कहने का मतलब है the first row can never have all the 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 it can never have. And even if you write it in the opposite manner, 1, 2, 3, see, 1 to 6 are not coming in the first column. So this is only possible if k is greater than n and k is greater than m. So guys, because you are not able to write these numbers in the first row, it means the extra part will spill in the second row. What is the extra part? 5 and 6. Now because the extra part is in the second row, now if you again write 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, see this one is here and this one is here. This one can never be below this one because the extra part came in the front. So 1, 2, see this one, this 2, and now this 3, this 4. So guys, can you feel the symmetry? मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि अगर तुम 1 से k लिख रहे हो और पहले रो में आ ही नहीं रहा है, थोड़ा सा पार्ट दूसरे रो में भी डालना पड़ रहा है, तो इसका मतलब मालूम है क्या है? तुम जिंदगी भर 1 से k लिखते रहो, कभी भी दो सेम नंबर आसपास में आएगा ही नहीं. This is my conclusion. For example, even in the worst case, let's say this is like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's say k was equal to 5. You know that 5 cannot fill here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 5 will come here. Because 1, 5 will come here, then you again write 1, 2, 3, 4. See what happens. This one is not sharing the edge. 2, 3. The problem can only go wrong if if you were writing like this 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see 1, 1, 1, 1. Adjacent numbers should not be equal. But because after 1, 2, 3, 4, it is not. See, my k, in this case 5 is greater than 4. It means 1, 5 will spill down. And when the spilling is happening, if you again write these numbers, they will never match. Diagonal is matching, bro. Adjacent left, right, up, down will never match. So guys, this is the first case that if k is greater than n and k is greater than m, okay? If the k is, let's say, greater than n and the k is strictly greater than m, it means you can start filling any row or column and the spill up will happen. So what will you do? Just fill from 1 to k, again from 1 to k, again from 1 to k, 1 to k till the end, problem solved. Now guys, another case is what? This case we have solved. Next case, it can happen that k is less than equal to n or k is less than equal to m. See guys, we have considered the case when k is greater than both of them. Now let's say in this case k equal to uh, 2 is given to you. Now what will you do? See, k is less than equal to 3 also and less than equal to 4 also. Listen to me very carefully. K is equal to 2. K is equal to 2. Now what will happen? You can try to see it is less than both, right? Let's say it is less than equal to this n. What will you do, lovely student? 1 2, then again 1 2. But guys, if you do the same thing here, what will happen? You are screwed now. Why you are screwed? See, the adjacent numbers are becoming same. This is not allowed. So guys, the solution is that if your k is less than equal to n, or your k is less than equal to m, and let's say your k is also divisible by m. See na, the m mod k is equal to 0. डिविजिबल है मतलब समझ रहे हो क्या हो रहा है? If your k is less than equal to n and it is divisible, it means it will fix. I am saying that if you consider this case, which case? This case that k is less than equal to m, and m mod k is equal to 0. How will you solve this case? See, here you take k equal to 2. See, 2 is less than equal to 4, and also 4 mod 2 equal to 0. This means what? This means that you can write 1 to k. See, this is of size m, right? This means you can write 1 to k here exactly without any spillover. Because m mod k is equal to 0. अरे k m से डिविजिबल है, मतलब 1 से k तुम इधर लिखोगे ना तो बराबर ये k पे ही एंड होगा, समझे? So you can write the numbers without a spillover. So in this case, you can see you can really write the numbers without a spillover. 1 2 3 4, m equal to 2. You know that 2 is divisible by 4, so you can write 1 2 1 2 without a spillover. See, it has exactly ended at 2 only. K equal to 2. The next thing, what should you do? You should do a cyclic shift. Cyclic shift. So ऊपर क्या था? 1 2 1 2 ना, तो shift it 1 to the left. So what it will look like? 2 1 2 1. Then shift it again. 1 2 1 2. So guys, this is the solution. If your k is less than equal to m and m mod k is equal to 0, you should fill the first row from 1 to k and 1 to k, and it will end with k. Guarantee, it is guaranteed because it is divisible. Next should be a cyclic shift. Then the next row should again be a cyclic shift. Next row should be again a cyclic shift, like this till the end, baby. Okay, never sleep, always work hard. Get the energy in your brain and mind. Don't be lazy. जो सोवत है सो कोवत है. Now, my mother used to tell me that. So now next thing, guys, listen to me carefully. Same condition you can apply if k is less than equal to n, but this time you will do vertically. Next case is if k is less than equal to n and n mod k equal to 0. In this case, if you take k equal to 3, this satisfies this thing. Now see, 3 is less than equal to 3 and 3 mod 3 equal to 0. This means what will happen? You will feel it vertically now, because this is your n, right? Our k is less than equal to this, and k mod this is 0. So I will write here 1 2 3, but then a cyclic shift. 2 3 1, not 1 2 3 again, because if I write 1 2 3 again, you are screwed for life, right? It's adjacent are becoming equal. 2 3 1, and then uh 1 2 3, then the cyclic shift is a 2 3 1, and then I think it will be 3 okay, 1 2 3, then 2 3 1, then 3 1 2, like this you will write till the end. So these cases are clear, but guys, the only case left is, let's take I'm thinking of some good k. What if the k which I take is less than equal to m or less than equal to m but not divisible? That can also happen, lovely students, right? What if it is not divisible? Means some extra value is spilling over. So let's take 4 into 6, right? 4 6 24. So k equal to 2 is divisible. 3 is also, yeah. So guys, in this case, let's say you compare with n. Now what will you do? N is 4, right? And m is 6. You can see that this satisfies the first condition, that k is less than equal to n, but this time this guy, this time n mod k is not equal to 0, means some value is spilling over. So you will write what, 1 2 3 here, 1 2 3 here, but guys, this time it will not end properly with 3, it will end with a remainder value. See, 1 is coming now, 1 2 3, then 1 again. Earlier when it was divisible, it was ending with k only, but now it ends with another number. Spillover has happened, guys. A spillover has happened. So guys, when a spillover happens, what to do? Just follow the normal pattern, because the spillover has happened. Why will this work? See, 1 2 3 1, then after 1 what should come? 2 3. So just follow the normal pattern. 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Wahahaha. What I mean to say, hope you got it. The fact is that whenever the spillover is happening, now here what is happening is that when it is not exactly divisible by k, what will happen? 1 2 k will come, and then again 1 2 k, like this for few times, and then you will stop at, let's say, k minus 2 or k minus 1 or something like that. Some extra part will be left. If you write this extra part now here, nothing can be adjacent, because now your one will start here and this one, and one can never be adjacent. Nothing will be adjacent. Wow, what a brilliancy, baby. Similarly, guys, this condition and then this condition. If let's say k is less than equal to m and m mod k not equal to 0, just fill it normally horizontally. Oh my goodness. Ha ha ha. So the codes, right? The codes. Where are the codes, baby? Guys, if you want the G and H solutions, let me know. Okay. I will shoot a deep analysis video and give that to you as well. Because those are the deep ones, na, they require the separate videos. So guys, n and m, see, if it is greater than n and greater than m, then you know it will spill over. So just fill it normally 1 2k 1 2k 1 2k 1 2k, again and again. If it is less than equal to m but not divisible, then fill horizontal fashion, but normally, because spillover will happen. Same for n. If it is for n, then fill in vertical fashion, fill normally, spillover will happen. Only the case when it is less than equal to m, but the mod m is also 0, because when m mod k is not equal to 0 has already been considered above in the past. So now we don't, now here it means that m mod k is actually equal to 0. So now when you fill the first row, it ends exactly with k, so you need to shift every next row. And for n, again you need to shift every next row. Okay, so that's it, lovely students, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Love you all. Ram ram. Guys, before ending the session, please know that you should not be sad, depressed, and negative. Always be very positive, because you need to have the strength of God in you. Ram Ram!